Hi class! Welcome back to another week at school. I hope that you had a great weekend and that you are ready and prepared for the week ahead. So this week, one of our main topics that we are going to be discussing and focusing on is weather predictions. So I have an assignment for you all to do, which will be done over the course of this week at school. You can work on it in class, or you can even take it home if you're needing a little bit more guidance and help with predicting the weather. So I have created this template for you guys to use. So I have weather predictions. The week that we will be doing this is April 4th through 8th, 2022. Just have a nice picture of clouds. What you're going to want to do on it first is put your name, then you're going to put the date. Go ahead and put the date that it's due. And so for this, it'll be due on the 8th. So make sure that you put that on there. So I have instructions. I have everything out listed for you. So this week, you as an individual will be creating your own weather predictions. This may sound confusing, but do not worry. There are people that do this for their careers. I'm going to pause right there. If you can remember what these people that predict the weather, what their title is and what they are actually called in the professional world, write it down and turn it into me tomorrow morning. And if you get it right, then you will get some bonus points, and we will have questions every day in regards to weather leading up to you being allowed to pick something out of the treasure box on Friday. So if you have any trouble starting the assignment, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Parents can also reach out to me with any questions. This is should be a quick and easy assignment for you guys. It should be very enjoyable and not make you drag. So basically, your hypothesis for this assignment is to predict this week's weather. You're responsible for the days Monday through Friday. So you will predict Monday's weather, Tuesday's weather, Wednesday's weather, Thursday's weather, and Friday's weather. You won't predict Saturday and Sunday because we do not meet in the classroom. So materials that you will need for this in class, I will hand out construction paper, glues, markers, crayons, and a ruler. You will be making a chart, so you need to make sure to bring a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, I can provide you one in class. So the main purpose of this, here we go. Ask yourself, what was the weather like last week? Was it sunny? Was it hot? Was it cold? Was it rainy? Was it windy? You may also ask a family member to pull up the previous week's weather forecast online. You will begin this assignment on Monday. Be prepared to come to class with an idea of what the weather will be like for this day. This process will repeat until Friday, which is April 8th, 2022, when the assignment is due in class. So this should be kind of what your chart is going to look like. I can also print out templates like this if it's a little bit easier for you guys, but in the overall idea of things, I do want you to draw your own chart, label it. You need each of these should be at the top of your chart. So you have your column. So day of the week, your prediction, and then at the end of the day, what the weather was really like. So important reminders and different things that you can do. Use your recess time to focus on how it feels and looks outside. Predictions will be made after lunch. So once you come in from recess, make your prediction. And at the end of the night, you can also put PM prediction. So what do you think the weather is going to do overnight? So the purpose of this assignment is to inform students how much the weather can impact our daily world. From natural disasters to a sunny day, Mother Nature does not rest for anyone. It is always important to remember this in case of an emergency. So that is the overall point and view of this week's assignment. It should be really fun. I will also be completing this assignment in my own time outside of the classroom, but I am here for you guys if you have any questions or concerns or you're just confused. Please reach out to me. Please come up to me in class and let me know. Thank you. Have fun.